Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 angle grinder. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Babak M14 Cordless Angle Grinder. Specifications: brand name, Babak. Motor type, brushless. Usage, home DIY. Weight, about 1.4 kilograms. Dimensions, 1 battery or 2 battery. No load speed, 10,000 RPM. Disc, wheel, type, grinding disc. Frequency, 50-60 Hz. Disc diameter, 125 millimeters. Rated voltage, 20 V. Model number, M14. Type, angle grinder. Power source, electricity. Item number 4 is 125 millimeters cordless angle grinder. Specifications: brand name, PT Club. Type, angle grinder. Motor type, brushless. Disc bore diameter, 14 millimeters. Usage, home DIY. Is _customized, yes. Variable speed, yes. Weight, 1.9 kilograms. No load speed, 0-10,000 RPM. Disc diameter, 125 millimeters. Rated voltage, 18 V. Power source, electricity. As the item number 3, we've selected 18500 RPM brushless cordless angle grinder. Specifications: brand name, Cameli. Motor type, brushless. Disc bore diameter, 14 millimeters. Usage, home DIY. Variable speed, yes. No load speed, 18,500 RPM. Disc diameter, 125 millimeters. Rated voltage, 18 V. Type, angle grinder. Power source, electricity. Item number 2 is Yofidra 125 millimeters brushless angle grinder. Specifications: brand name, Yofidra. Motor, brushless motor. Power, 1280 W. Disc bore diameter, 14 millimeters. No load speed, 20,000 R min. Disc diameter, 125 millimeters. Rated voltage, 20 V. Type, angle grinder. On the top of our list at number 1 we have brushless wireless electric angle grinder. Specifications: brand name, Jowie. Motor type, brushless. Weight, 2 kilograms. Dimensions, as pictured. No load speed, 20,000 RPM. Rated input power, 2000 W. Disc, wheel, type, sanding discs. Disc diameter, 125 millimeters. Power source, electricity.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.